how to add friends in Rise of Kingdoms. So you're gonna have to put in mind that in order to do this, you're gonna have to unlock the world chat. This is pretty simple. Just level up your headquarters or your city hall, I mean, and finish a few quests. Eventually, you'll be able to unlock the world map or the world chat. So here, just go ahead to the top left corner. You'll be able to see your friends, group chat, and the add friends option. So you're just gonna go ahead and search the friend you want to add. Put in the player ID that they have. You're gonna have to ask what player ID they have, of course, and just go ahead and press on search. Then you will be able to add them. If you wanna go ahead and add random people, just go ahead and press on their profile and press on the add button over here. You can also go ahead and message them directly without even adding them. But that's pretty much how you add friends in Rise of Kingdoms. Finish up a few chapters and unlock the world chat. Apparently you should be able to do this in different servers as well. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.